Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC haka khandai tarik ukala lingkot arja arpusau habakan tho halor ka jingweng no ka sengking atiar ka balasha khenbian kata ka New Trap National Liberation Council HNLC na kami jekran yesuk bat ka sarkar jilla kumjuru bat ka sarkar India kala ong ba dan kijing ki ban la ban weng no lada don ka jingatai ka basani bha President ke MPCC uba Vincent H. Pala ubaderu MP Lok Sabha na Shillong Seat ulaong bah kapor ba Congress ha ka jilla Assam bat kumjur Meghalaya ru ka don ka jing ekran yasuk bat ki kenhun le no bat ka ni ka jingweng no ka HNLC ka dei ka bas new bok ulaong baka Congress kam dan menta ha ka nu ka jing ekran na ka benta ka kam ekran yasuk bat ka HNLC da ka bapenpau bahap panyatai bha ya ki mat baper uba Pala ulaong baka BJP ha balam khmat ya ka sarkar kadang tang ban kular klam pendapat ya ka da ka bakan tu ya ka HNLC baka dei ban ekran biang ulaong baka la ban ekran lingba ki ksyang gi bathamai bat ka thong hi ka dei ban wanra ya ka shongsuk shongsngan ha ka jilla.
You see, very unfortunate to see when the agency ready to come to the table, but there's no seriousness on the part of the BJP government at the center as well as in the state. So it's very unfortunate. If you see in all these issues, the government big promises in the manifesto, whereas when it comes to reality, they always don't care for the people of Northeast. Had these issues be in other states, you see what happened in Assam. When Tarun Gogoi was there, he brought Alpha to the negotiating table, and Assam is prosperous, Assam is doing good now. In between also, when the Congress was in power, we tried to minimize all the undergrounds. We brought peace. But today, again, in spite of all those, again, this government is, the BJP government, now they don't take it seriously. So it's very unfortunate. But we in the opposition, we are not part of those negotiations. We in the opposition, I discussed with Baroni also, we have not been invited, we have not been informed, we have not been briefed. So the details I think you should get from them rather from us. But it's very unfortunate to see that in spite of minimizing or rather stop the bloodshed, stop all the fighting, but now it has gone waste. So I think it's very unfortunate. If they surrender, then there's a different treatment. But if they negotiate, come to the terms and conditions within the constitution, I think the government should not make any undue efforts, rather than the government should be proactive to see that whatever be the solution should come. So I think, I don't know, because in the conditions, like I said, we are not involved. What are the real conditions? We only saw it in the paper. I don't know, but I feel that, we have to, every demand has to be negotiated. Every demand has to be discussed. So there's nothing impossible with the discussion. I think that the government doesn't take it seriously, and with discussions, I think during the discussion, because suppose like if they give amnesty, there's lots of terms and conditions also to be out of that. Or suppose whatever each and every point they discuss, they also should be with a commitment. It is not like the BJP government signed a framework with Nagaland and nothing has been done up to now. They have signed an agreement with the NVC. When the NVC, now I've seen they're moving the file for the forest development, nothing has been done. So I also follow so many things with the developmental works after signing the agreement. In spite of they're supposed to amend the 6th schedule, nothing has been done. So the BJP is known for its promises and failure. So are people what to do? Are people are joining them, are people are helping them, direct or indirect? I think equally the state is equally responsible for not pushing very hard, and I fully support the peace deal, whatever condition it may be, it should be. We are people who are very small, we cannot afford to lose our brothers and sisters because of guns, we cannot afford to lose peace only because of ego. We cannot afford to lose peace only because of people in the BHP does not bother about the people of Meghalaya. So I appeal also to the HNLC to have patience. I appeal to HNLC that whatever decisions they are taking is a big decision. It matters to the economy of the state, it matters to life of the people, it matters to so many things within the state. So I appeal to HNLC also to not to just stop the negotiations, continue the negotiations and try to see and convince. If required, they can also put or demand a new negotiators also. So I think it's very important for them also to take it seriously. I request them not to run away from the negotiations, but I request them also to come forward and be more proactive. I don't know what is the reason why all this failure and whom to blame, but I feel that we need peace in Meghalaya, we need peace in the Brio New Trip, and also in the Tatar, the state and the country as a whole.